Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cream Ridge to near Pemberton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Beechwood, Presidential Lakes Estates, Lakehurst, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Holiday City South, Leisure Town, Presidential Lakes, Woodruff, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Pine Ridge and Crestwood, Browns Mills, Old Halfway, Leisure Village West Pine Lake Park, South Toms River and Island Heights. This includes Garden State Parkway between mile markers 70 and 83. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean,